don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 150k subs. Hey Tabafetu, this video is brought to you by EasyPets. Click the link in the description to sign up and use code FANS50 to receive a 50 Rand sign up bonus. And also, T's and C's apply. Under 18s are not permitted to gamble. Tango. Welcome to my fans on TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 1, Super Sports 0. I'm joined by the best chairman, is Shwaga Parks. Shwaga Parks.
Tipos, amafenzi wethu.
Thank you, Chair.
Ake ngiphakamise imino emithathu.
Why?
Lo 3 oqala nje ukubongela amafenzi wethu.
Sure, Chair.
Uhamba selihambile as a new baby.
Yes, Chair.
Maniqeda isizini esithathu. Nisilethela ukudla okumnandi.
Thank you, Chair.
Delicious food for the supporters.
Thank you, Chair.
The channel, without fear or favor, they give supporters allowance to cough out anything you want to say.
Yeah.
Any message you want to send to your team, your favorite team. It's uncontrolling show.
Yeah.
Good no. Lokho kufilayo khuluma if yabathuka abaqeqeshi bethuka thina sizokuthatha sikunikeza umphakathi.
Danko.
Thank you very much guys. And then I pray for you. uNkulunkulu amane nikhuphula njalo. Ama upgrade standard simane sikhuphukile bafowethu. Ishow iyaroka amafans wethu ayaroka. Even onejealous akaye kumona. Ye kumona da. Ye kumona da amafans wethu impela a top. Of which wona ka channel esiwafuna thina sabalandeli because some of us abalandeli abakwazi ukufikelela ku management abakwazi ukufikelela kuma players but any message abayidlulisa kuma fans wethu the players baya subscribe bayithola ama chairman wama team ayawayithola message from and then bayakwazi ukulungisa lapho kumele balungise khona of which ama social network wona namhlanje ahamba phambili of which i-channel isiza kakhulu ama team ngithi nje ngiyanibongela bafowethu ake sibashayile ihlombe
Thank you, Chair. Thank you, Chair.
ama fans wethu keep on
Yeah.
yeah good work
Yeah.
well done guys
Yeah.
let me come back ngiphinde futhi ngiphakamise imino emithathu le mino emithathu ukubongela uMandla Ncikazi ukuthi awuthole u3 point kuma remaining game asesele ukuthi kuphela isizini yeah siyabonga nje nokuthi aphinda abane becontinueile nokuveza ama youngsters namhlanje sithe masizwa kunomfana ngizombiza uBlack Cat kade lemnyama umfana udladla obo goalkeeper uyabona umfana namhlanje bathi uyazalwa ibirthday yakhe wedladla wemgabadeli bhuti on behalf of Orlando Pirates supporters sicela ukuthi sithi kuwena happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Dada, happy birthday to you. Bese ngitsho nje ukuthi awusawadla mafinyila awusawadla mafinyila awusawadla mafinyila awusawadla mafinyila ukhule boys sithi hep hep hip sithi mfana ukhule njengasithi awusawadla mafinyile so usukile mfana wami kuso stage usukhulile first cap yakho mfana ize kahle iza no 3 point ne clean sheet sithi ke ngalo mazo so wenzile lo mdlandlo ongakongene ngawo ungasawuyeka mfana happy birthday
My brother.
happy birthday dladla
Danko.
Kabateli
Yeah.
siyabonga bhuti
Ayinjalo Chairman.
bro wami
Yeah.
iPirates is a winning team always
Yes.
Ngiyabonga uma ngibona uMandla Ncikazi iPirates mayimnikeza i-chance. I'm always ngincoma uNcikazi ukuthi since siwathola ama assistant coach ku Pirates is very disciplined. Very disciplined. I think ibrand the way ayihlonipha ngakhona ngelinye ilanga mayisethola ehores efuna ukuzimela eze umqeqeshi ngoba simthathe umqeqeshi njengasimenze assistant coach i-team ayithola uyoyithola usefuthwe kakhulu khumbula kwa Pirates la kuphekwa khona abantu mfethu baphume belinto abayiyo university there of football without a doubt sinabaqeqeshi esibabalayo kumanje abaphumele baya ngaphandle eAfrica baqeqesha uDavid Van omunye othe wafika kule bhodi waphekwa oRulana abanye bafike kule bhodi baphekwa uyabona ukuthi Pirates injani kakhulu bhodi igame no matter ingasa attract kuthina abalandeli because amagame asesele awasana value kodwa ke kumele ephelile kumele futhi Pirates wadlalile because before besikhala ngawo lama games sithi sinama game in hand unfortunately besingazi ukuthi kanti ama game in hand somehow ayiphula kanjani inhliziyo because khona no lama game wethu abesesalele emuva ngomaphutha amancane enziwe i-team agcine sesiletha down sokuwina i-Sundowns of which ama game in hand is no longer working for us of which into engizoyicela kwi-management ye-Pirates into engizoyicela kubadlali be-Pirates ukuthi due to respect i-team engiyithandayo ukhona umlandeli engicishe ngamqeda nya ngohlavu because i-debate yethu thina abalandeli somehow iba personal makuhamba isikhathi ukhona umlandeli uthe mabe celebrate abakucelebrate labekujabulela bathi ne-Pirates kudala yagcina ukuthatha ileague isena 14 years waqala kwaba buhlungu kumena ukuthi uLucky Likhwati wama triple back to back ayihamba nalo league of which sengathi impela sesikhohliwe ubukhulu beteam ngiyayicela ke management yethu kule season esizoyiqala ake babe ne campaign ethi asiyayibuyisa ileague to Orlando Pirates Football Club no matter bangahlulwa amanye ama cup but this time abake beplanele ukuthi ileague bayithole because akwazeke ukuthi singaluza ileague 3 times a row si challenge sehluleke ake sisebenze isizulu esithi ayidleleli kabili okwesithathu icup lizekhaya le cup elicelebratewe iSundowns kule season ka 24-25 bungasilone le Sundowns without fear or favor le cup bokwele bhakaneya kodwa ke ngokwama challenges enzekayo ebholeni sigcine le cup seliphuma ezandleni zethu selwele ezandleni ezirongo anyway ukuthi Sundowns yenze 8 times back to back irecord engafanele ba lelo libalwa iPirates ikhona kwi-football industry le team since 1937 masikhuluma ngokuthi iphume kancane esporweni ibuyele egameni yenza into zamehlo but 8 times in a row iPirates akho lapho engene khona kulelo khuzana no ithanda ukuba personal lento ipainful siyabacela kaMabhakaniya siyawazi ukuthi masiwacelile ayazenza izinto zenzeke abamthola umqeqeshi ozothi mayefika bamtshena ukuthi indlala seyidlala ubi kubalandeli bePirates iBetway sokudala bayigcina ukuyicelebrate. I remember very well singena kubove Orlando uRoot Crawl wahamba waya ehotela icathulo sesingasaphelele nama sunglasses wakhe sengasaphelele ngehappiness esasinayo of which sakukhumbula lo mama memory ukuthi no ya amakhapu siwathathile sibemnandi ngamakhapu kodwa ke manje siyashota njengasishota nje ngicela kulama remaining game asele abathi bebabafaka abadlali babe besebenzela phezulu we something ukuthi no ileague iyadingeka eOrlando esigodini laphana i-Vipers esigodini njengamanje kumele ikhuphuke kakhulu naqala siyistata kahle ileague but somehow angazi ukuthi silahla kuphi and then ngizobacela ama team amancane singawa undermine because that 3 point esiwuluza kumateam amancane ilo 3 point osetshenziswa amanye amateam bese siyakhala end of the day. Yeah, amateam amancane nje siwaphanishe waya akwazi nje wonke amateam amancane ukuthi u6 point owe Pirates until sizosothatha u6 point we Sundowns sithatha u6 point we Chiefs lapho so confirm khona no sewenzile umsebenzi because wazi wa undermine amateam amancane uyabona khona manje Cape Town City isenkingeni because ipay Sundowns u6 point. Sundowns ya celebrate manje yajabula. I-Super Sport lebese ithatha u3 point namhlanje isenkingeni enkulu kakhulu because ipay Sundowns u6 point. Lo 6 point esewudinga namhlanje and it's too late. Yabo, it's too late. Ingakho ke sifuna ukuthi amateam amakhulu awasebenze kusakhanya because indaba za late asisebenzi. Uyabona manje sokusebenza ama-mathematics sokumele kubuyiswa abothisha be-maths ukuze bazokwenza isibalo ezizokwazi ukuthi ubani oyehlathini uthola ama-yellow card amangaphi lona amagoli angene kuyena kugcine ngiyabonakala ukuthi amateam awu-4 ngathi azabanga ukuba no-29 point wonke so kumele manje kubheka ukuthi ubani okwathola ama-red card uyabona lezo zibalo i-flop anyway uncikazi nabadlali bakhe namhlanje siyabonga umsebenzi abawenzile abacontinue bawawine lamagame asele so that ingathiwa senze isihluku sathatha u3 point kwi-Super Sport sawuyeka kuMaZulu nawo amaZulu u3 point akube unest 3 point nakwi-Mangesi ke uyasikoloda webadlali be-Pirates badlali be-Pirates iMangesi yasikoloda bafowethu iMangesi iyasikoloda isikhiphe kwi-Carling Cup ekhaya esigodini ngiyanicela bafowethu leso sikoloto nje thina nisebenza very hard nibe nazi ukuthi nizogeza inhliziyo zabalandeli ngesikoloto esasenziswa amagesi yeah
mtshela uTito nje
no uTito esidini lakhe udlalile because iOrlando Pirates iteam eneculture yokudribula legs of Skarasono, legs of Jomosono, Zero Mokhali, ngingabala bobani mfowethu ngingababala ngiyazi ngisabala abadala kakhulu angifikanga kule genge encane i-dribbling culture yakwa Pirates yeah of which my dribble otito be dribble King Vuti into esifuna nje i-dribbling ayibe nani ayibe ne-final pass killer net akuzinet ungadribble nje into engena sense angimfuni kumdlalo ozathi mayidribula abulala abantu bese qina uyabona udribula
uyaphambili
umlandeli we-Pirates nomlandeli wa any football into emjabulisayo yini igoli wapha kuzinet umlandeli uzojabula lapha kodwa manje usupha kuzinet namhlanje ngiqamba umnye umfana unomfana ufuna ukumtshena ukuthi ngithema ngimbheka namhlanje ngiyambona uya again manje ngifuna ukumbizza ini Kimberley Express
bondo manje
mangabo mazi umfana wase Kimberley ngiyakusamazi kodwa kusukela namhlanje azi ukuthi kune Kimberley Express yeah Kimberley Express
ubani lo
mfana wase Kimberley se Kimberley Express
dlala
Kimberley Express
Silepe
Kimberley Express
vudu
Kimberley Express Kota Kimberley Express ngiyamnikeza ke namfana une-nickname namhlanje ukuthi azi ukuthi usene-nickname ayitholayo kuthina kudala sinethwa imvula la Orlando Pirates Kimberley Express uyabona into ayenze namhlanje ukuthi athi mayimlalisa ugolkeeper mlalisa abesawazi ukuthi uleft wakhe kumele udle net that's why ngimnikeza lo gama namhlanje ukuthi Kimberley Express Kimberley Express kumele abulale net kanje uyabona uma une left dribble bese ubulala net ethile ukujabulisa abalandeli mfowethu nathi hayi sanibongela njani
thank you chairman
sanibongela
thank you chairman
sinje
once in
Paris always
thank you chairman
danko